Bill Platt here, and I just want to take this opportunity to show you real quickly how we can merge a couple of these images together. I've pulled up this image here, and I've got this image also loaded up, and I'm going to show you how we can merge the two and make something totally new, something totally unique, something that can be applied to your coloring book without ever looking like anything that somebody else had created. Now, I am using the downloadable free software, which is called Paint.net. You can also use GIMP, or you can use the online Canva. You can also use Photoshop if you've got a paid version of Photoshop. Literally any photo editing software can do what I'm getting ready to show you how to do. And it's just a matter of picking your favorite software and getting the job done. So what I'm going to do here with this particular image, I'm going to go ahead and blow it up and make it a little bit larger. And then, let's see, we go to resize. And I've already kind of tested this in advance, so I'm looking at 4,000 on the image size, 4,000 wide. And with this particular software, I have the changes right here, so I'm not going to worry about that. And then this is my primary image. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the magic wand button over here. Then I'm going to select the background in this case, and I'm going to cut the background out of the image, which gets rid of the white background. We'll do the cut right there, and now you got the little dots in the background showing you that it's a transparency. I'm also going to do the same here on the white background, and I am going to go ahead and cut out the white background here as well. So now I've got transparent. And now these images are two different sizes. So my software is going to tell me they're two different sizes. Do you want to go ahead and use it as is? But what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and do a select all. And then I'm going to copy what's merged here. And then I'm going to paste it over into this image as a new layer. And it did not warn me there, but it will often warn you. And then I can take one image and match it up against the other image, giving me a whole new design that wasn't entirely obvious from when we started out. So I'm going to go ahead and merge these layers down. And we'll merge layer down, and that basically combines the two images. And I want to do a deselect on the centerpiece here. And then I'm going to grab my paint bucket, which I've got set to white, and now I can come in here into the transparency area and go ahead and drop the white, and now I've got a completely new image, and I've got this little area here to fill in. Now I have a totally new image from two individual images, and that's basically what we're looking to do here when we're combining different images. And the only reason why this is even pertinent to in most cases is because if I'm using the same images you're using to make coloring books to publish, it's not so much we have to worry about Amazon, because we don't. We have to worry about people, our customers, finding similar images in different books, and then they might complain to Amazon. Then Amazon becomes a problem. But realistically, there's no way Amazon can discern the whether two books have the same image in it, and they really don't care as long as their customers aren't complaining. So in order to make it so that Amazon's customers don't complain, we take different images and merge them together and make completely new images that are still really attractive that we can use inside our coloring books. So I just wanted to show you how this is done real quick, and I hope you found it educational. My name's Bill Platt. Catch you next time.